Be honest. How many times have you promised yourself, I'll draw every single day only to stop after 3 days? Yeah, me too. It's not because you're lazy, it's because your brain is wired to resist effort. But here's the secret: you don't need more discipline, you just need the right tricks. Today, I'm going to show you how to trick yourself into drawing every single day without burning out, without forcing it, and without feeling guilty. Let's go. Here's why it feels so hard. Your brain is a master negotiator. The second you say, I'm going to draw for 1 hour today, your brain screams, nah, let's just scroll TikTok for 5 minutes first. That's because big goals feel heavy. Your brain craves easy wins. So instead of fighting your brain, you need to work with it. That's what these tricks are all about. Rule number one: lower the bar. Tell yourself you'll just draw for 2 minutes. That's it. Because here's the magic: once your pencil hits the paper, you almost always keep going. But even if you don't, you still win. You kept the streak alive. And your brain starts believing, oh, drawing is easy. Don't wait for motivation. Set up your environment so drawing is the obvious choice. Keep your sketchbook open on your desk. Put pencils where you see them. If you want to draw digitally, keep your tablet plugged in. The less effort it takes to start, the more likely you'll do it. Make drawing frictionless. Want to know the fastest way to build a routine? Anchor your drawing habit to something you already do every day. For example, after brushing your teeth at night, sketch for 5 minutes. Or, right after your morning coffee, doodle something. When you connect drawing to a daily ritual, it becomes automatic. Your brain loves rewards. Every time you draw, give yourself a small win. Maybe it's checking off a calendar box. Maybe it's posting your sketch online. Or maybe it's just saying out loud, nice, I did it. Sounds silly, but rewards train your brain to crave the behavior. You're basically gamifying your art journey. Here's the biggest trap: expecting every drawing to be a masterpiece. That pressure kills consistency. Instead, give yourself permission to make ugly art. Doodle nonsense. Sketch badly. Because consistency builds skill, and skill builds confidence. Progress comes from quantity, not perfection. Humans are wired for accountability. Tell a friend you'll share one drawing a day, or post your sketches on Instagram stories. You'll feel more motivated to stick with it because now it's not just about you, it's about showing up. So, if you want to trick your brain into drawing every single day, remember: start tiny, make it easy, attach it to habits, reward yourself, remove pressure, and stay accountable. Small, consistent steps will transform you into the artist you dream of becoming. Don't wait for motivation. Trick your brain, pick up that pencil, and draw today. And if you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button so you never miss more creative hacks like this.